For decades, the Volkswagen Jetta has been a symbol of clean engineering and everyday reliability. But in 2026, VW is pushing the boundaries even further with the Jetta Sports. It's sharper, faster, and more driver-focused than ever before. Today, we're taking a deep dive into everything new, everything upgraded, and everything exciting about this incredible sports sedan. The 2026 Jetta Sports arrives with a bold redesign that demands attention. The first thing you notice is the lower, wider stance, giving the car a much more athletic and planted posture. Up front, the fascia is completely new, featuring a striking hexagonal air intake, a sport-tuned front bumper, and those sleek IQ light LED headlights that just look fantastic. A sharper hood line adds a sense of tension and character, making it look ready to pounce. Moving to the side, the body lines are more sculpted and dynamic, flowing beautifully from front to back. And those 18 or 19-inch Aero Sport wheels really complete the muscular look. Then at the back, you've got this clean, powerful finish with a connected LED tail strip, dual exhaust finishers, and a discreet but sporty spoiler. It all comes together perfectly. Stepping inside, the 2026 Jetta Sports feels premium, modern, and totally driver-centric. Volkswagen has introduced a fully digital cabin, and it's a huge leap forward. You get a stunning 10.25-inch digital cockpit pro right in front of you, and a new, massive 12-inch infotainment touchscreen that's super responsive. Of course, it comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The dashboard itself has been revised with soft-touch materials and these cool red sports accents that tie everything together. The seats are another highlight. They're sport-bolstered with contrast stitching, designed to hold you securely in place during spirited drives. Ambient interior lighting adds a premium feel at night, and best of all, they've even increased the rear legroom, ensuring the Jetta remains a practical daily driver. Now, let's talk about performance, because this is where the Jetta Sports really earns its name. Under the hood, the 2026 model offers an upgraded 2.0-liter turbocharged TSI engine, pumping out an estimated 185 to 210 horsepower, depending on which trim you choose. It's paired with a quick 8-speed automatic or an optional 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission, delivering smooth, responsive, and immediate acceleration. The updated sports-tuned suspension, stiffer anti-roll bars, and recalibrated steering give you so much more confidence through the corners. This sedan feels planted, light, and just eager to move. And despite this performance focus, the fuel economy remains impressive thanks to VW's efficiency-tuned turbo system. It's perfect for both highway cruises and fun city drives. This year's model also gets a major tech upgrade, making it smarter and safer than ever. The 2026 Jetta Sports now includes a full suite of driver aids, adaptive cruise control, front assist with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and rear traffic alert. And brand new for 2026 is a 360-degree parking camera, which is a fantastic addition. Volkswagen has also introduced improved voice commands, over-the-air updates to keep your car's software fresh, and faster system processing. With the new IQ Drive 2.0 system, the Jetta Sports feels like it's a full step ahead in both safety and convenience. So, what's it like on the road? The Jetta Sports offers a beautifully refined yet sporty driving experience. The steering is precise and gives you great feedback. Turbo lag is practically non-existent, and the cabin stays remarkably quiet, even at high speeds. The selectable drive modes Eco, Normal, Sport, and Custom let you tailor the car's personality to your mood. Whether you're just commuting to work or tackling some winding back roads on the weekend, the Jetta Sports delivers a fantastic blend of excitement and comfort that many other sedans in this segment just can't seem to match. In conclusion, the 2026 Volkswagen Jetta Sports brilliantly combines everyday practicality with genuine sports sedan character. It's modern, it's stylish, it's efficient, and above all, it is fun to drive. For anyone who wants real performance without sacrificing comfort and value, the Jetta Sports continues to be one of the smartest choices in the sedan world. Volkswagen has taken a true classic and made it even better. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest and greatest cars.